Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we're making a beautiful and practical crochet piece that you can use as a keychain or bag accessory. Please prepare your 2.5 millimeters yarn and 2.5 millimeters hook, and make sure to watch until the end. Your support gives us more motivation to create new videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. For round 1, chain 31, skip 2 chains from the hook and make 101/2 double crochet across. Take your time and keep your tension even because this is the foundation of the project. You're doing great. Tip: if your chain feels tight, try chaining a little looser to make the next row easier to work into. For round 2, chain 6, skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, then repeat chain 3, skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet all around. You'll see the open work pattern forming beautifully. Stay relaxed and enjoy the rhythm. Tip: count your skipped stitches carefully to keep everything aligned. For round 3, chain 3, make 4 double crochet in the next space and repeat that sequence 4 times. Chain 3, slip stitch twice, then repeat 5 times. Chain 3, 3 double crochet increase, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch twice. This round adds lovely texture and shape. You're doing amazing. Tip: make sure the increase goes into the same space to keep the shaping correct. Now change color and repeat 10 times, slip stitch, chain 4, 4E, 1E, chain 2, slip stitch, 1E, 4E, chain 4, slip stitch. This decorative round really brings the piece to life. Take your time and keep your stitches neat. Pull the old yarn tight and weave in the ends later for a clean finish. For the strap, chain 30 and adjust the length if needed. You're almost done. Great job for making it this far. Tip, slip stitch back along the chain if you want a sturdier strap. And now your project is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this piece with me today. If you watched until the end, thank you so much. Your support truly gives us motivation to create more crochet tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crochet friends. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!